Welcome back, everybody. It is crunch time in terms of Halloween decorating. I've started working on some of my bigger projects now. In fact, if you're one of my patrons, you can check out some of my progress on my Patreon page. I uploaded a new video today about the skeleton pirate fountain that I built, that I've been trying to get built for months and months and months. And these are kind of videos that I'd love to put on my regular channel, but it's just, I'm not sure how building it goes, and it's just such a long and involved process I don't even bother filming it, because a lot of it's just trial and error anyway. So I just kind of put the highlights of those things on my Patreon page. So if you're a patron, you can check it out. But if you're not a patron, there is still plenty of other content on my regular channel that you can take a look at as we lead up to Halloween. In fact, this is my 500th-ish video. I say ish because depending on where I'm looking on my statistics, I get conflicting information, but I think this is around number 500, if not a couple of more. So I wanted to thank you all for sticking around with me for 500 videos and give a special shout out, as I do once a month, to my patrons. So let me go ahead and open up the list here. We did have a brand new patron in August. Goes by the username TCatz Meow. Love that name. And then I did just get another patron September 1st. That was Luke Woodard. So technically he's a next month patron, but I could not give him a shout out. Didn't want to keep him in suspense waiting for all of that wonderful shout out benefit that you all receive. But Luke and TCatz Meow are joining my other list of wonderful patrons, including Allison Waldron, Annie Jones from Indie Annie Jones. We'll take a look at her YouTube page here in a minute. April Johnson, Spooky Bev, also Spooky Bev is her YouTube channel. CareyAnn Thomas, Craig Thomas, Carla Perea, Gareth Frewer of Create at Home with G, another YouTuber, Prince Alarming 85, Rosemary Latham, Shannon Fredrickson, Stephen Miles, and Teara. So I really do appreciate all of your support. Really helps out the channel, especially with all of these giveaways, which I'm going to tell you about here in a moment. But first, as I do like to do, I do want to check in with our YouTube patrons and see what they are up to. We're going to go ahead and start with Create at Home with G. Now, I'm very excited that Create at Home with G, Gareth, has made his triumphant YouTube return. He had been on a bit of a hiatus for several months, but he is back, and he is just about to hit 10,000 subscribers. Congratulations, Gareth. That's very exciting. So join his giveaway, and if you haven't subscribed to him, make sure that you do, because he does all of these wonderful crafting videos and decorating and so forth. And he's put out a new line of videos here about some Christmas cards. And you know, I used to make Halloween cards, like hand cut them and give them out, but they are nothing on the level of Gareth's cards. I mean, they are so professional looking and so beautiful. I am just so impressed. He puts so much effort and shows you how he does it. Sorry, I know look at him hand painting these cards and stamping them and whatnot. It's just amazing. And he did send me a card once. I think that was last Christmas. It came in about sometime the end of July or January. You know, he is in England, so you know, you get that fun accent. Anyway, let's move on to Annie Jones. Annie Jones has a bunch of new videos out since our last check-in. Let's see. I think we left off with the paper bags in July. So she's got some videos about Dollar Tree, Ray Dunn inspired mugs, a Star Trek shirt, Wacky World of Indiana Jones. I think that's her new intro video. It's Lily Munster. She likes to dress up as lots of wacky fun characters. Her video, or her channel, is amazing. The fact that she only has 1,497 subscribers at this point is utterly tragic, because her videos are amazing. So be sure to like, comment, and share her videos. But anyway, she makes a dollar store banner here, some fall crafts, makes an enchanted book. Pumpkin season is back. Yes, pumpkin spice everything. And she just did a live video today. I was able to sit in on it for a few minutes. She's making a miniature display. So I haven't seen what it ended up looking like at the end. I'm going to check that out later, but she does a lot of live videos as well, which are always a challenge, so I'm impressed with that. Make sure you check her out. And then lastly, we have Spooky Bev. Spooky Bev has started pumping out the videos also. Let's see, since our last walkthrough, I don't remember if we looked at the at-home store on her last, or on our last check-in with her, but she's done an at-home store walkthrough. She did a video about winning. She won my last giveaway, so well, I'll be giving more stuff away today. Maybe she'll win again. Some of our subscribers have won multiple videos, but she did a nice unboxing. Thank you. Halloween hunting. She goes to some stores and looks for the Halloween merchandise. She got a new camera and she does an unboxing. And of course, a thrift store haul. You know, I do love my thrift store hauls. In fact, most of the stuff that I'll be giving away here in just a moment are from thrift stores. In fact, I think it might all actually be from thrift stores. So I kind of felt a little bad with Spooky Bev and her unboxing, that it kind of looked a little skimpy when I saw it on the video. So I tried to put a few more things in this box. So today I got a bit of a bigger box. Usually, you know, I like to fill it up, but this time we're just going to unbox it and show you all the fun stuff we're going to give away. Now you're probably wondering how you could possibly win. So to win this fabulous box, you're going to join us live. You don't have to join us, but it's fun if you do. We're going to do a live drawing on September 18th. That's a Wednesday. We'll do it at 9 p.m. If you come a little bit early, I joined about 15 minutes in advance in the chat room. We can have a nice fun conversation. But if you are live with us, you know, we'd like to put out a clue game board and do an elimination style giveaway where, you know, you'll in the chat room call out rooms to eliminate, and everybody who's been assigned to a room gets eliminated until there's one person left standing, and that person will win the fun box of goodies. That will include items like this Light the Candle Halloween party game. It's kind of like I pin the tail on the donkey, except you're lighting a candle in this jack-o'-lantern's mouth. I know that is uber exciting, but wait, there's more. You will also get Halloween bingo. I don't know, it includes eight bingo cards, so you can have a rollicking Halloween party. I'm sad to see this go, but this was one of our ugly pumpkins of the month, and that was back when I actually bought the ugly pumpkins of the month before I wised up and was like, I can just take a picture of them. So I'm sad to see the country bumpkin pumpkin go, but adding him to the pile too. I recently just did a Target walkthrough. Haven't uploaded it yet, maybe tomorrow. But you know, they have lots of these little paint project things. So you can paint this little crafty haunted house box. Look, it's got a cute little cat and a tombstone. So this did not come from Target this year. Again, Goodwill find, but obviously it's never been used. Hopefully this paint is still good. All right. Oh, you know, in my last Goodwill thrift store haul, I said I was giving away all this stuff that I found. Well, I'm not giving you this haunted house ghost because I love it and it just doesn't fit in the box. But instead, you will get this staked sign that says Happy Haunting with a little pumpkin and a little, you know, it's supposed to look like it's broken. It's not really broken. So you'll get that. You'll get this door knocker. We have this Halloween. Now, I don't think this was part of this last thrift store haul. I'm throwing it in from one of my other prior thrift store hauls. It's this nice little Halloween Happy. That's the name of another YouTuber, right? Or it could be Happy Halloween. So, I don't know. We have this door cover, Trick or Treat. I like the simple, elegant look of this door cover. Shame it was only $1.99 to begin with, but now it's free if it's yours, if you win. And this little pumpkin crafting kit where you can put this stuff on a pumpkin. And if you watch my last Dollar Tree walkthrough, you know, they have those little styrofoam pumpkins. They're excellent to put things like this on because you don't want to carve those things. That little styrofoam, the little white bits on the inside gets everywhere. maybe you have more luck than I do, but I've never had luck with those. Also giving away this pack of 6 luminaries. Also from the Dollar Tree, this was actually brand new. I did not get it from the Goodwill, but I did buy it years ago and it's just been sitting in my closet forever. It's one of those little chalkboard tombstones. It even comes with a piece of chalk. And once you write on it, even though you should be able to erase it, good luck with that. You might be looking at that for the rest of your life. Giving away these nice spider candles. I'm kind of sad to see these go. I do like them, but I just buy these things because I don't know why I buy them. I have so much candle stuff. I never even put out candles. But I have this thought that maybe someday I will. Obviously I won't. I need to get rid of it. But it comes with a little tea light thing. You could put the tea light directly in the little tray, or you can put it in the little cup. But you get a purple one and an orange one, and I think they're pretty. Also gonna get this creepy luminary to go with your other luminaries in case you don't want the paper ones. This one is tin or whatever. Or you could just light up your pathway with pumpkin stakes. So this is a set of 5, I guess, pumpkin stakes. I remember opening this like months and months ago, maybe even last year. Clearly I'm never going to use it. I can't remember if they all work. I think one of them might be broken. I don't know. But 4 of them will work. Maybe. I'm guessing. I don't remember. Also going to throw in this trick-or-treat bolt. It's got Snoopy on it and Woodstock. Running out of space. I'm just going to turn that little Goodwill thing around because I know I feel a little tacky giving away Goodwill stuff, but you know, I do love my thrift store hauls. And then I'm giving away this trick-or-treat bowl. This is the last thing on my list. Now, I had a big problem with this when I first did it in my thrift store haul because I couldn't figure out the way to make the glove work right, and I think I did finally figure it out. So my thought, because I don't know, I was putting my hand in like this, thinking that you want to like grab at the person, but obviously that wouldn't work. Whoops, you need to put it in like you're holding the bowl like this, right? And then you hide your hand underneath the candy and you grab it up like that, which seems less effective to me, but I don't know. Maybe you'll have fun with it. I will never actually use it, although if I had lighter skin tone, that might look like my hand. I guess it could. You never know. Only if you're paying attention closely. And if you are paying attention and you've gotten this far, you'll probably be wondering, well, how do I enter again? We know the date of how we enter, but how do you actually enter? You're going to need to leave me a comment in the description below. Let me know that you want to be entered into the contest and answer a question. Let's see, for this question, since we're talking about YouTubers so much this time, and somebody I saw on Instagram listed me as one of their favorite YouTubers, so thank you for that. All right, I went and looked her up because I didn't want to get her name wrong. It was Gina909, so thank you for that, Gina909. Everyone, you can check out her Instagram or check out my Instagram. My handle is @KolonelMustard, KRNLMUSTRD, if you want to follow me on Instagram. But anyway, question again, who is your favorite YouTuber? Other than me. Other than me. Don't list me. It's not going to get you any bonus points or anything. You're not going to get any leg up in our giveaway competition. So that'll do it, I guess, for today. Again, the drawing next Wednesday, the 18th, I think we said it was, 9 p.m. Be sure to enter below. And till then, be sure to watch the rest of my videos. I'm going to try and get more out as soon as I can. More store walkthroughs, DIYs, and so forth. And take care, guys. Happy haunting.